Look at this delicious Super Bowl 2026. Hello everyone, this is Aunty Rose kitchen again. What I'm preparing here is for our wonderful Super Bowl coming up. Here I boiled my chicken before I barbecued. And what that does, the chicken is very soft. I never put barbecue sauce on raw chicken. Wow, these are nice. Nice buffalo wings. Soft and nice. Wow, I have enough to feed a crowd. This is going to be a honey barbecue chicken wings. Okay, so here I'm putting on my honey. It was already cooked when saying so. This is the honey. All right. You put your honey here over these lovely, chunky chicken. Then what you can start off with now, remember I'd already used a little bit of salt. This is the barbecue sauce. You're not going to use a whole lot at the first part here. And then we are just going to marinate the chicken like, wow, I can even smell the aroma already. Oh well. We are all preparing wonderful Super Bowl. All right, so this is gonna be resting here for a while. The Super Bowl always be a very, very interested part of a lot of families. You know, people, we all come together and we watch the game. The game is all about togetherness to me. What I'm also gonna do, I have my lovely nachos here, and I'm gonna have my lovely hot dogs. And over here, I'm gonna have my lovely pulled pork sandwiches. It's gonna be one of the best. Now I'm gonna put these hot dogs in the boiling water. Okay, for another 10 minutes. Okay, so here I'm using my small oven. I'm gonna place my honey barbecue glazed chicken in the oven. Wow. Wow, look at these buffalo wings. Wow. And this is gonna stay in here for another, I would say 15 minutes. Okay, the reason why I'm using this small oven here, it's very, very fast. And of course, yes, it's very economical. The larger oven, as you know, electricity is so expensive right now. So this takes off the pressure off me also. So if you have a smaller oven, please do use it. Okay, well folks, I have some lovely hot dogs over here. As you know, the kids love hot dogs. And I know that the kids will be watching the game also. I prepared a few hot dogs for the kids. Okay, these boil very, very nice. And these are great hot dogs. I love hot dogs too. You love hot dogs? Oh, the kids love the hot dogs. I have my lovely hot dog rolls. These are the huge rolls. This is gonna be like a dinner to them. Place one hot dog here. And here I'm spooning the ketchup over here. Oh, the kids are gonna be love. These are lovely hot dogs. So of course, yes, okay, Place them right here. So when the kids come by, as you know, they can just grab a hot dog, and also they can just use their chips. The chips is right here. Okay, so this is for the kids. Well, here we have the hot dogs, and we have our chips. Well, what I have here is the mild chunky salsa. So I'm putting some on the chips here. The kids can also eat the mild and enjoy a wonderful Super Bowl hot dog and mild hot salsa. Okay, folks, well, this is our lovely Super Bowl hot dogs, nachos. And as you can notice here, I'm wearing Deshaun Jackson jersey. As I can recall, McNabb, Deshaun, and all those guys, they were great guys. Okay, folks, remember I told you about the Honey BBQ buffalo wings. Well, it's now ready. Wow, look at these wings. Look at this finger foods. Wow, the aroma. Hot. Very nice Super Bowl. Coming up very shortly. I wish I could be there. But anyhow, someday I think I will be there. Okay, wow. The aroma. Okay, here we go. Lovely honey barbecue wings. Look at this delicious Super Bowl 2026. Please subscribe and leave your comments. And I thank you very, very much. And this is coming from Aunty Rose's kitchen. Wow.